Hey guys. So, as some of you know, I do attend college, and interestingly enough, all of my classes have been moved to online. So this does give me an interesting perspective on things, because now that I'm learning all of my stuff online, I know how you guys are learning online, because you guys learn a lot of stuff from me when I'm not straight up doing video game content, which, granted, I do enjoy video game content. I also thoroughly enjoy teaching, and it's fun. Heck, some of you guys actually enjoy it when I teach calculus on Chatterbait fully unclothed. That's entertaining. Anyway, so now that I'm spending time online learning, it could be entertaining to do some of my work while I'm live streaming. So you guys can see what it's actually like actively programming stuff, whatnot. I think that could be fun. And it could also relieve me of my sanity sometimes, or my insanity, I guess, because some of the stuff is heckin' annoying, and I'm having an annoying problem with one of my labs that I have to work on right now anyway. So, I think it'd be kind of fun to live stream me trying to work on my stuff. I'm working on trying to figure out getting OBS to play nice with the laptop I use for coding, because it has an internal graphics card, and it also has an actual graphics card. And sometimes OBS doesn't want to do a desktop capture or a couple weird things just because it's trying to go off of a specific card instead of the, like, sometimes it wants to capture the graphics card, sometimes it wants to capture the internal graphics, but it's trying to capture the wrong one, so I end up with a black screen sometimes. Really weird, and I'm trying to fix that. But once I can get that fixed, then we should have some awesome fun time doing some programming nonsense on stream. And it's actual practical, because it's stuff I actually have to do to begin with. So I think that could be heckin' cool. Anyway, sorry for getting this out late. I've been starting to try to adjust with the online classes, which just happened today, actually. We just had the successful switch to online exclusively. So now I have to keep up, and I have to go to my planner and remove everything, because everything's been jumbled around. So it's been a little hectic, so that's why the video's a bit late. That also I kind of forgot to record. Anyway, it's fine. So yeah, feel free to go to my Twitch, twitch.tv/pancakeninja27. Seems like I'll probably be doing more streaming there than usual. So yeah, that could happen, it could not happen. Depends on when I get this freaking thing fixed. Anyway, so yeah, guys there. Bye everyone.